Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play stretched resolution in Sea of Thieves. First, understand that stretched resolution can offer a competitive edge by widening your field of view, making targets appear larger. To begin, access your graphics control panel, whether it's NVIDIA Control Panel or AMD Radeon software. From there, you will navigate to the Display Settings section to prepare for creating a custom resolution. This initial step is crucial for setting up your desired visual experience. Now, within your graphics control panel, locate the option to create a custom resolution. You will need to input your desired width and height values. For example, 1440 by 1080 pixels is a common choice. Crucially, ensure the refresh rate is set to match your monitor's native capability, such as 144 Hz. After applying, test the new resolution to confirm it displays correctly on your screen. This ensures a smooth transition. With your custom resolution active, the next step is to apply it to Sea of Thieves. Navigate to the game's configuration file, typically found in your App Data folder. Open this file with a text editor and locate the lines specifying resolution. Manually change these values to match your newly created stretched resolution, for instance, 1440 by 1080. Save the file, then launch Sea of Thieves in full screen mode to see the effect. If you encounter any display issues, simply revert to your default resolution settings in the graphics control panel. For optimal comfort, adjust your in-game field of view, often found in the video settings, to compensate for the stretched perspective. You might also experiment with various aspect ratios, like 4:3 or 16:10, to find what feels best for your gameplay. Remember, fine-tuning these settings will enhance your overall Sea of Thieves experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.